Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by x squared minus 1 on numerator and denominator. So if we expand this one, we will have only x to the power of 80 minus 1. And this one, if we expand this one, you got only x to the power of 40 minus number 1. Next, we have the formula in here. A squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So for this one, that is about x to the power of 40 to the power of 2. This one we have 1 to the power of 2. Now we need to change this one into this one. Now we need to simplify x to the power of 40 minus 1 on numerator and denominator. And now we have the final answer. We can apply the formula in here. So for this one, we have 40. Now we put number 40 cone here. 40 plus 1, we have 41. Over 41. Number 1, that is about x. And we put the bounds from A to B. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.